Good evening. Hope you all are enjoying your study and literature too. Today we will discuss about the octavo, quarto and folio form. As we come to know that these three forms were popularized in Shakespearean period, and we know very well that the book form. Now this is book, and in this form it took a lot of time. So we will discuss about the cycle, the stage of book development, how the book was developed that time. In Egypt, it was started, and it was a process. It was a stage by stage process. And the first stage was papyrus, then manuscript, then parchment, vellum, and incunabula. And after incunabula, we come to know about octavo, quarto, and folio. And these three stages, these three forms are familiar very much. We all know, but we, we, we come to know about octavo, folio, and quarto, but we did not know the real meaning and the uh, original meaning of these three terms. So we will discuss today. Now सबसे पहले मैं एक बात और बताना चाहता हूँ कि दिस इज बुक एंड ओके एंड द राइट साइड. नाउ दिस इज राइट साइड अकॉर्डिंग टू माय डायरेक्शन. ये राइट साइड है, इसको हम बोलते हैं रेट्रो. एंड ये लेफ्ट साइड है, इसको बोलते हैं वर्सो. मीन्स रेट्रो एंड वर्सो. राइट रेट्रो और लेफ्ट वर्सो. Okay, now we will talk about first of all folio form. We have one paper and you have to fold it one time like this, and you have to cut it. Okay, now we have two papers. अब हमारे पास दो पेपर हो गए हैं. Now two papers and 4 pages, like 1 2 3 4. Now this is called folio version, folio form of a book. That time Shakespeare's folios, you all are familiar with them. Now this is folio form, means one paper folded one time and you will get 4 sides. Now we will talk about quarto version. Means originally we have only one paper. हम पे सबसे पहले केवल एक ही पेपर था और हमने इसको एक बार फोल्ड किया. एक बार ये हो गया, अब दूसरी बार फिर फोल्ड करेंगे एक बार ऐसे लाइक दिस, एंड वी विल कट इट. देन आफ्टर वी विल गेट, नाउ यू विल गेट 4 pages and 8 sides. 1 2 3 4 pages and 8 sides, means 1 2 3 4, means like this you will get 8 sides. Now this is called quarto version. Now we will talk about octavo form. Means originally we have only one paper. सबसे पहले हम पे केवल एक पेपर था, हमने इसको एक बार फोल्ड किया, हमें फोलियो वर्जन मिला. फिर दो बार फोल्ड किया तो क्वार्टो वर्जन. अब इसको तीसरी बार मीन्स 3 बार फोल्ड करेंगे तो हमें मिल जाएगा octavo version. First of all you have to cut it like this, and you have to fold like this. Okay, now you have 8 papers, 8 pages, 8 pages and 16 sides, 1 2 3 like this. Now this is called Octavo form, Octavo version. Now we will come to know about folio, octavo and quarto version. Thank you.